What's up, guys? Next up, we got this BMW M550. It's a 2018 and it's going satin pearl white. As you can see, that nice sheen to it. It's gonna look beautiful on this car, especially with BMWs with their body lines and everything. And it is a dark car, so you can see signs of wear and tear, especially on the front, and it is high mileage, so it's in the 90s. And you can see all these rock chips, these bug splatter stains that literally are just embedded in the paint at this point. And you know, front end always gets hit with the rock chips, so this thing has definitely seen better days, but we're gonna transform the shit out of it and it's gonna look amazing after this. He has some nice wheels on it. It looks like spacers maybe too. So this thing is a monster. It's the trim before the M5, so you know it's got a lot of power still, over 500 horsepower. Interior is white, beautiful. So yeah, this thing is gonna be fully transformed. I already started this assembly, of course. I'm not gonna take off much. Obviously, you can see the door handles. The taillights are gonna stay because, like I said, it's a dark car. You don't really need to tuck that deep, and it's easier for removal when the time comes. So we do have to do the roof on this one, though. Obviously, since it's paint matched, it's got to be done. So the antenna is probably gonna get removed as well. It's just on there with silicone, and I think we're gonna do satin pearl white on here instead of gloss black. He gave me the green light to choose what I want to do. Now, usually people do gloss black roofs on sunroofs or on cars with sunroofs because it kind of like makes it look panoramic. But I think we should go for a little change this time. So I think I'm gonna do a satin pearl white. But overall, this thing is definitely gonna look like a brand new car. He's gonna feel like that too because it really does have, you know, a lot of wear and tear on the body. This stuff I still have to clean off. It's kind of like baked onto the paint, the tire shine. So it's splattered all over the side, the lower side, and I still gotta use some tar remover to get that off. But overall, it's ready to go. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse, start with the hood probably, and get going on this. What's up, guys? This is the final update on the M550. This car came out insane. Like, this is totally a brand new car. I might be geeking because I love BMWs, but this thing, man, the paint was just absolutely done for as far as, like, you know, surface scratching, rock chips on the front, just staining overall. I mean, I did a walk around before so you guys saw, but this thing is a brand new car. This beautiful satin pearl white came out insane. This is from Cheetah wrap, so it kind of has less of a natural warm undertone. It's just more like satin white, pearlescent. Just doesn't have that little like warm, I don't know what to call it, like a orangey brownish hue to it. It has less of that than other pearlescents, so it still looks insane. This is exactly what he wanted. Everything is done, put back together. This car is a monster too. It has like 550 horsepower. It's twin turbo. He's got downpipes with a tune on it, I think. So it is this is kind of like a sleeper. This is what most like older people drive that don't even know the potential of these cars. You know what I'm saying? So this thing is really a beast. The rear, I put the badges back on. He wanted the natural ones. Those are like the OEM. Gloss black might have been cool too, but that's what he wanted. This badge on both back and front. He wanted the grille or the ring on the outside that's chrome black. So as you can see, it's black. And then obviously we covered the blue with the matching satin white pearl colors. He could take that off if he doesn't like it, but I always do that. It matches the car and it looks cool. Just small little details like that make the whole car. Splitters are back on, side, front. His little rear diffuser didn't take it off because it was in the, or it wasn't in the way. So that stayed. But roof too, we hit with white because we were debating between gloss black and white. And he told me to make the decision. So I just said, let's send it white. Everybody does gloss black to blend in with the panoramic. And I just think it brings the whole car together. It still looks good. It just looks like, you know, how it comes from factory. So here's the front end. Looks extremely good, mean. Up close, you'll definitely be able to see the spots where it's all rock chipped up, but it is what it is. We left the side markers wrapped that are always orange. Every single BMW, we do that because it just looks 10 times better. Here's the front badge, same thing. So those little details are what make the cars, man. So overall, obviously, like this is one of my favorite right now, but I think it's also because I had this new floor. I repainted it white because white just like, look at it, it just shows like the color is way better. And the next color I'm doing is gonna be insane in this garage and this lighting. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this crazy M550. It's finally done. It literally will be like a brand new car for him. He's super excited to get it. So he's picking it up tomorrow and we're gonna let what I did today cure and then it's ready to go. So he's got some nice wheels on it too. We matched the mirror cap to the color because it was gloss black, faded, scratched. These roof rails are always paint matched. So as you can see, everything's perfectly wrapped. The fine details, just, you know, very, very clean stuff. And this car I keep just seeing it in person. I know you guys see it on camera, but in person, this thing just looks nuts, especially, like I said, with this floor. It's just, it's awesome. This color is awesome. I hope he's happy. I'm sure he will be. And what else can I say? The door handles, we left this center part, it's usually chrome. And then I cut the sensor part out since it's a dark car. Nobody's really gonna see that. But I cut it out because the wrap has trouble sticking to those unless you use primer. And I'm not one to use primer. But some materials will hold on that spot, some don't. But it looks natural. It looks like it's supposed to be there when you're looking at it like this. You literally can't tell. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. This thing is a fully transformed Cheetah wrap satin white pearl and it's ready to go.